Hello everyone, you're welcome. My name is Daniel Adoboye. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step in which you can make up to $10,000 by sending people to a software, to one of the best software for email marketing. Yes, one of the software for email marketing, whereby they can try it for a month, and if they like it, they can purchase it. I'm also going to show you how you can go through the whole process from the process of you getting the link of the email marketing to the process of you getting a PDF, a full PDF on email marketing, and also showing where you can actually get traffic to people actually clicking on your email marketing affiliate link, and in the return you end up making minimum of $10,000. So if you do this right, if you follow this my step-by-step approach, you are sure and it is guaranteed that you are going to make up to that amount. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you're going to go to is to come to this website known as Getresponse.com. Okay, let me tell you about Getresponse.com. Getresponse.com is one of the best email marketing software outside there, in which you can actually use to automate your email. It helps you to grow. So it's a powerful simplified tools for sending emails, for creating pages and automating your marketing. So another thing about this Getresponse is that one, it's used for email marketing. You can see from, so the email marketing have some sub features. It helps to create email and also help you to like autoresponder, email analysis, list management, transaction email, and it's also used for conversion funnel. Yes, like a conversion funnel, like a sales funnel. This is also very beautiful. So sales funnel, you have lead magnet funnel, also used for marketing automation. One beautiful thing about this website is that it is so awesome. I can also use to create your website. So you also have push notification, live chats, landing pages, webinars, sign up form, and even paid ad. Wow. That's wonderful. So if you are ready, let me tell you how you can actually make money out of this website. The first thing you have to do, you have to sign up having a free account. Then just come down, down. Just come down to the bottom here, to the footer here, and you see what you can see this link here known as affiliate program. Then click on the affiliate program. This will give you access to have access to their affiliate program. One thing about this is that you can actually register on this affiliate program and start making money. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. So please ensure you watch to the very end. Do not miss any part. Okay, so when you have done that, just come down. Let me show you something now. With this affiliate program, it is divided into two. We have the bounty program and the recurring program. So we're going to place our focus on this one here, to be precise. So what you have to do is to sign up. Yes, so you're going to sign up. So immediately you sign up, within a little period of time, you'll be brought to your dashboard, and your dashboard will look like something like this, something exactly like this. So this is a new affiliate link which I created. So this, you have a dashboard like this, and you're going to have tools in which you can actually use to promote your website, to promote your links. You have banners, you have text ads. So when you click on this, so when you click on check it, there are so many tools that I've put in place to help you. Okay, so let me just log in here. Let's go to log in and show you. As you can see, we have so many tools that have been put in place to help you. But now I'm going to show you one of the best ways in which you can actually make money faster. What you are going to do is to come to either this website idpll.com, or you come to this website indigital.com. Then get a okay, let's say you come to this website, for example, then you are going to click on products, then click on ebook, get a ebook on email marketing. Yes, ebook on email marketing. So when you just click on, probably you are in this place, or you come to this other place and you click on free product, free ebook. Okay, let's say I use this. All you have to do is to get a free ebook, download it. Alright, so this one is going to give you access to download 2 to 3 highly designed and highly profitable email PDF. So all you have to do is just to download it, then convert the PDF to Word, edit the PDF, put your link within the PDF. Yes, put a link within the PDF. Then you can actually come to your Facebook page, a Facebook group. For example, you can come to Facebook group, for example, and search for email marketing group. So when you search email marketing group, this will give you more access to be able to put in your link, yes, on the email group. People will click on it. Also, you can also have access to having free traffic by coming to Reddit and just search for email marketing. Just you see people answering questions like, what is the best email marketing tool I can use? What is this? What is that about email marketing? So with that, you can able to just put in your link and have access to that. So for example, now I actually downloaded one of the PDF I use here, one of the PDFs. I'm going to show you how it's being done. So I'm going to close this now and come to the email marketing. So when I downloaded this PDF from that, it's fifth PDF free, but it's highly designed and I love it. It's rich in feature. All I have to do, as you can see, so we have social media platform. For example, Nigeria social media platform. So there's other things. So this thing is so designed. So for example, let me come to article. Like when I come to article and I come to text, so I have free text in which I can actually put on social media like Facebook, Twitter, or even the Reddit, the Quora for a period of time to just to gain people trust. Then in each of them, for example, if I open this now, I don't want to open it actually, but you can actually download it and open it. So when you open it, you'll be able to edit it. Let me show you one of these. So this PDF I just show you now, this is it here. So I'm actually editing it. I've put in my link, so you can actually just go to that website, get your free PDF, edit it, then come to website like Quora. So this Quora, there are many people that ask questions like this. They just ask what is the best in marketing, and this was asked like 24 minutes ago. All you have to do is you just actually answer it. You can just come to one of this your article here, get one of the article, or better still customize your PDF on email marketing, then send it there. So when they download your PDF, of course, when they download your PDF, your link will be available for them to click on, because that's the only link they only see there. They'll click on it and they will purchase. So immediately somebody purchase this software, immediately then you will have your $10,000. Just imagine people like a maximum of, let's say, like 20 other people click on your link within a week, and you are able to get 10 people to actually purchase this software. Let me tell you, this software is the best. No person will come to this software and won't purchase it. No, nobody will come to this software. And even you can try it out for free for a whole month. So it no credit card involved. So ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the best way. So just promote the link of this Getresponse.com. Is one of the best email marketing software you can get in the world. Yes, in the world. So just promote it. Then you come to either this website, idplr.com, or you come to indigitalworks.com. Download a free ebook on email marketing, then customize it, edit it. Then you can come to website like Quora or Reddit. Look for people asking questions. People actually ask questions a lot. Then put your link there. Answer that question, of course. Then put your link on that. So when they click on it, or you can come to your Facebook here and you can begin to answer some questions, give them idea and put your link. Even though you can actually create a Facebook ad on it, create a group, create a page, a business page. Probably you call it email marketing tips or email marketing guru, for example. Then you make people to actually you make people to come to your page, because you can actually run an ad on that. So when you run ad on your Facebook page, this will make then your ad should be concentrated on people in USA, to be precise, or people outside the country, not in Nigeria. Although if you are targeting people in Nigeria, you must be specific in your target, but let it be people in USA who have interest in email marketing. With that, you have high chances of people clicking on your link and you are making money. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and be rest assured, when you click on the notification button, you'll be notified, because I create video on how you can make money, legit way of making money online. Once again, my name is Daniel Adeoboye, so kindly subscribe, like and share.